Hello and welcome to the last episode in the PowerShell for Beginners series. In this episode, we will look at PowerShell modules. And in this episode, we will scratch the surface on modules to find out what they are and how we can install them, along with a few useful commandlets. We will try to stick to the basics, and as with previous episodes, you can always go more in depth if you want to. A module in PowerShell is a collection of commandlets, functions, and commands that someone else has created and made available for downloading and installing. If you're familiar with the programming in general, it could be compared to downloading libraries containing code so that you don't have to invent things that already exist. PowerShell modules are easy to install directly from the console using commands that we will take a look at in the next slide. Once installed, you get access to the commandlets within the module. The module is stored in its corresponding module path, and to list the module path, run the following code that I have put on this slide. So how do we find and install a module? Using get module will show you what modules that have been imported in your current session. If you add -list available, it shows what modules are available to import from the module path. Eventually, you might want new modules. Use find module to search or go to PowerShellGallery.com to search in your browser. You can then run install module in your console to place the module on your computer, ready to then be imported to the session using the import module command. In the later versions of PowerShell, install modules are automatically imported to the session if you use commands contained in that module. As with other commands, there is vast information available about these online. Run get help followed by the command you want to know more about. Add -online to get the information in the browser. For example, get help install module -online. Today, we've introduced what modules are and how to work with them on a general level. As you get more into PowerShell, you might discover that code that you need for a project is already created and available to you out there. This also marks the end for this 5-part series called PowerShell for Beginners. Good luck and enjoy the learning curve. Thank you for watching, and remember to drop a like if you found the content interesting. Take care.